Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we are opening a 2017 C case. I found this in a local discount store, so I thought let's get that down off the top shelf and open it up. Now I do want to apologize for the video format. I was in a bit of a hurry and didn't notice I filmed the wrong way, but let's get straight into this 2017 C case. I was really hoping for a treasure hunt. A super treasure hunt, anything. I know the case was open, but it didn't have any cars removed. I was the first one into it, and you can see I took that Chevy straight away, that Hot Wheels Flames Chevy. It was a really nice one. And there we go, straight into, there's that Tesla. I was taking that Tesla home. I was taking that Acura home. Acura, sorry for our United States watchers, Acura. Yeah, there was a whole heap of really nice cars. You can see there's a second one of the Acura there. Oh, and the Porsche there, we took that one home. I really like that in that color. It's a pretty cool one. Oh, and this orange Porsche, who would be leaving that behind? Not at all. Yellow Submarine, that's not my thing. But anyway, that's a really popular one I've noticed. And there's a whole heap of fantasy in this one. There was really too many fantasy. Ford Torino. I've already got that one, so we didn't take that one home. Oh, and the BMW, this is a pretty cool one. Didn't have this when this came out in 2017, so I was really happy to find it here in this case. I took that one home. We've got that Minecraft, we've got the Jetsons, another fantasy car. I was going to take the Jetsons, I put it in my take-home pile, but I didn't end up taking it. Just wasn't doing it for me, so I left it behind for the next one. Oh, and there's Too Tough. It's a pretty cool truck, I like that, but I did leave it behind. So just getting through this top layer. Some nice cars. Took this one home. It's an art car, really nice. Let me know which ones you would be taking home out of this 2017 case, 2017 C case. Remember, they're $2 each, and I took a whole heap home. It was actually quite an expensive visit to this store. I was not anticipating finding this old case at all, but I couldn't leave a lot of these behind. I have a lot of them as well, obviously being a couple of years old, this case, but and there's a second BMW in this case. I left that one behind for the next lucky person. Just getting through them. Took home that red Momo Volkswagen. Some nice Muscle Mania in this one. I've already opened that black Muscle Mania car. I don't like to take doubles. Only very rarely do I take two of the same car. I'm pretty happy to share it around and have everyone get the cars. There's another Tesla, another BMW. We took this one home from Muscle Mania. That's a pretty cool car. I didn't have that color. Getting to the bottom of the box now. I was getting a little bit upset that I hadn't found a treasure hunt. No super treasure hunt. But it is an international case, so it's no surprise that there's no super treasure hunt. We seem to get left out when it comes to super treasure hunts in our international cases. So the last three cars, and bam, right at the bottom there, we took home that Honda. It was a pretty nice car. So I had a haul of 10 cars I took home, so that's $20, a whole heap of cars. Alright, big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.